This is the Kode Dot. Actually, that was the prototype. This is new Kode Dot. Let me explain. A couple of years ago, toolmakers got tired of all the time they were wasting on endless setup and silly mistakes when working on their electronics projects. So they said screw it and decided to create a solution. And so the Kode Dot was born, a full maker toolkit in your pocket, fully programmable with a touchscreen, sensors, Wi-Fi, speaker, all built in, and with GPIOs to expand it even more. And it lets you save your projects as apps or share them. At first, they made 50 pre-production units, but it soon became clear that they'd have to switch their room and 3D printers for an actual factory. And with every milestone hit during the campaign came a new capability, allowing the Kode Dot to become the best maker device it could be. So if you were wondering what we've been doing all these months, well, we were turning this into this. And we can finally show you. New components, new PCBs, new capabilities, and a new design, both for the Kode Dot to fit all the new stuff in, and for us, because with an upgraded inside, the brand had to keep up. At the moment, we're validating the very first PCBs after seeing them come to life. You know, testing everything, finding what needs to change before production. It's still early, but every day we're closer to the final production run. So if you're into it, check out our brand new site. And if you're a backer, don't worry. The new Kode Dot, the complete one with everything, that's the one that you'll be getting.